Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss classification of bones. That how bones are classified. It is a part of skeletal system. Include bones. That means skeleton divided into two divisions. Number one is axial skeleton and the other one is appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton में हमारे पास skull, ribs and vertebra. Appendicular में हमारे पास pelvis and extremities. It means that in appendicular skeleton we have pelvic and pectoral girdle. Now what are the functions of bones? It supports the body, protect of soft organs. जो हमारे पास ये skeleton होता है, bones होते हैं, ये protects provide करते हैं. It provides protections of soft organs. जैसे हमारे पास रिब्स है वो कवर रखे होती है लिवर, स्प्लीन, हार्ट. इट मीन्स दे protect the soft organs or organs of the body. It provide movement due to attached skeletal muscle. Storage of minerals and fats. जैसे हमारे पास कैल्शियम स्टोर होती है बोन्स में. Blood cell formation. These all are the functions of the bones. Now this is the classification of bone on the basis of shape. Number one is long bone. जो हमारे पास bones है ना वो classify है according to basis of shape. Long bone, short bone, flat bone, irregular bone. Long bone हमारे पास humerus of arm, short bone carpal of wrist, flat bones parietal bone of skull and irregular bone में हमारे पास vertebra आ जाते हैं. This one is long bone, this one is short bone, this one is flat bone, and the last, this one is irregular bone. Now classification of bones. Long bone. What are the characteristics of long bone? It is typically longer than wide, have a shaft with head at both ends, contain mostly compact bone, for example femur and humerus. These are the examples of long bone. Short bone generally cube shape, contain mostly spongy bone, and the examples are carpal and dorsal. कार्पल हमारे पास हैंड में प्रेजेंट होते हैं जबकि टॉर्सल्स हमारे पास फुट में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. नाउ दिस वन इज ह्यूमरस, इट इज अ लॉन्ग बोन. दिस वन इज रेडियस. जो हमारे पास थंब की साइड बोन होती है वो होती है रेडियस एंड द अदर साइड इज अल्ना. दिस इज मेटाकार्पल, दिस इज कार्पल एंड दिस इज फैलेंजेस. जो हमारे पास डिजिट्स की बोन होती हैं, डिजिट्स के वो होती है फैलेंजेस. और अगर हम लेग की बात करें, दिस वन इज फीमर, इट इज अ लॉन्ग बोन. दिस इज पैटिला, इट मींस नी कैप. दिस इज फिबुला एंड टिबिया. these are the bones. Now the bones of the hands. These are the carpals. There are 8 carpals in the hand. 5 are metacarpal. First हम यहाँ से लेंगे thumb से. First digit, second, third, fourth, 5. And these are phalanges. There are 14 phalanges in our hand. 5 metacarpals and 8 carpals. Now see the bones, carpals present in hand, and the number is 8 total. This is tarsals, bones of the foot, and the total number is 7. There are 7 tarsals and 8 carpal. These are the types of short bones. Now the third one is flat bone. The characteristic is thin, flattened, usually curved. Thin layers of compact bone around a layer of spongy bone, for example, skull, ribs, sternum. These all are type of flat bones. And the last one is irregular bone. It means हमें यहाँ irregular से ही पता चल जाता है कि उसकी जो shape है वो regular नहीं होगी. The shape is irregular. Do not fit into other bone classification categories, for example, vertebra and hip. See sternum. ये sternum में हमारे पास ये जो ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है, this is mammobrum, this is the body, and this is xiphoid. These are the ribs. There are 12 pair of ribs. 10 are fixed, whereas 2 is floating ribs. This is scapula. Here is ribs. Cranial bones. जो हमारे पास cranial bones है वो fixed bones होती हैं. They can't move. There is no any movement possible in cranial bones, and it protects our brain skull. And it's a type of flat bone. Now see a vertebra. Here is sacrum. Here is sacrum. These are the examples of irregular bones. Now the skull. Two sets of bone. Number one is cranium and the other one is facial bones. Cranium हमारे पास 8 होती हैं. ये हमारे पास fixed bones होती हैं. It protect the brain. And the other one is facial bones. There are 14 facial bones in our face. Bones are joined by sutures. ठीक? Only the mandible is attached by a freely movable joint. See in the whole skull. The fetal skull. Fetal it means जो कि हमारे पास बेबी बोर्न होने वाला होता है उसको हम fetal कहते हैं. The fetal skull is a large compared to the infant total body length. Pectoral it means shoulder girdle. Composed of two bones, clavicle जिसको हम कॉलर बोन या ब्यूटी बोन भी कहते हैं. Scapula it means shoulder blade. These bones allow the upper limb to have exceptionally free movement. Pectoral girdle हमारे पास clavicle, beauty bone and scapula include. Now this is the bones of the upper limb, humerus. The forearm has two bones, ulna and radius. ठीक. The hand में हमारे पास carpal, it means wrist. Palm में हमारे पास metacarpals जो कि 5 in numbers होती हैं. On fingers में phalanges. Bones of the lower limbs. The thigh has one bone, that is femur. It is the type of long bone, thigh bone. This one is the long bone. Bones of the lower limb. The leg is two bones, the tibia and fibula. Foot में हमारे पास ankle पे tarsal, that is 7 in number. Sole में metatarsal, that is 5 in number. And toes में phalanges, that is 14 in number.